Hey, your mindful guy is here. Welcome to my next video. I feel like I haven't really done a video talking about how to enter the present moment in everyday life, like outside of meditation. So I think I'm going to give you some like short exercises throughout this video that can help you ground yourself and be present, be in the now, just in everyday life. Because in the now, in the present moment, you're superhuman. You're susceptible to fear, worry, anger, and anxiety. Now, I'm going to be on the move in this video because I've got to go to the shops and get some stuff. So I'm going to take you with me. So it's going to be a bit of movement. 2 secs. I was just slagging the weather off, but now it's glorious. I'm not sure where it's come from. Buzzing. Exercises to bring us into the present moment. There's 1,010,000 exercises that you can do. That's the thing. But right now, okay, just to start, just do this for me. Right now, can you become present? Can you completely be in the present moment? Try it now. Just feel it. Not thinking about things that have happened last week, and not thinking about something you've got to do later on or something you've got to do tomorrow. Just right now, just be here right now. And it's not really so hard, is it? You can do it. And it's got a subtle difference between how you usually are when you're in some kind of autopilot, when you're going through life, when you're thinking about the past and worrying about things or worrying about the future. Being in the present, can you feel that it has a subtle difference? And it's pretty hard to feel shit in the present moment. There's a reason for that. Okay, so you prove to yourself that you can be in the present. You know what it is. You know that slight difference. So now, for this to become a thing, for you to be there more often than you are in the past or the future, you're going to have to break some habits. So there might be some things you do throughout your day. But say, for instance, washing up. I, hands down, hand on my heart, can say that I do not dread washing up anymore. If anything, I don't look forward to it, but while I'm doing it, I can find some sense of contentment and I can enjoy it. So say next time you gotta wash up, do it. And don't try to enjoy it. I'm not trying to say like just be false and be like yeah I'm enjoying the washing up, but start to be as present as you possibly can during the washing up process. Fill the water, get the hot water in there, the bubbling hot water, and feel everything. And spend a bit of time, like treat those dishes or treat whatever you're washing up, those pans, each one like it's the last one that you're gonna do. It's the last moment you've got on this earth and you are treasuring it. Do the washing up to do the washing up. It's a metaphor that you can use for the rest of your day. If you do everything to do everything, not for just a means to an end, then you can find contentment, then you can find joy. Otherwise, you start to realise that you're just wishing your life away. You're doing everything as a means to an end. You got walking meditation. Cut to me walking in a forest. But that was convenient. I know. I feel the life in my toes, my fingertips. Listen out to that bird song around you. I mean, it's easier in the forest, I must admit. But you can do this anywhere. You can do this in the middle of London. You can do this in the middle of any city in the world. Or in the middle of a field. Just feeling your aliveness, your being. Not getting lost in thought, but being in the walk, being a part of the environment that is around you. And slow that walk down. You're not walking for a means to an end. You're just walking. But also, on the other hand, you've got the walking meditation, which is getting the breathing involved. So for 6 steps, you're breathing in, and then you're breathing out for 6 steps. So, and out. And as your body and breath recalibrates, it'll get easier and easier, and you can up the steps. So you can even get to about 10 steps while breathing in, and 10 steps while breathing out. And there's, as many as you like. There's that long flowing breathing with the steps. It creates a real essence of groundedness. For the movement go all the way through your body. The movement of the breath, the movement of the actual movement itself. You start to realise that something so mundane and normal is actually everything. It actually means everything. Back to the car. This is all part of, like, well, let's put this under the branch of waking meditation. It's not a form of meditation, it's just an exercise you can do throughout your day to help you wake up and be in the here and now. Because you might not know yourself, you might not know who you are in the here and now. Because you might be filling a role in your life. You know, you might be filling the work role, or filling the husband role, filling the boyfriend role, filling the girlfriend role. And you might not actually truly know who you are. Because you, the person that you are, is in the here and now. All you got to do is get to it, and it is only ever a moment away. So on my list today, I've got to get some washing up liquid. Might get myself a fun little drink as well. And I'm sure there's some other stuff I need, but it'll come to me. Right, 2 secs. Okay, shopping done. So, come across quite a nice lady in there who originally, she was shopping for eggs, right? And I was grabbing some eggs, and she put some eggs in her basket, and I said to her, no, I'm not being funny, I just want you to know that the eggs you've picked up are actually eggs from, like, caged hens. And because they're like those big fresh eggs, they're called, and it's quite deceiving. A lot of people, I think, pick them up because they're slightly cheaper, and they think, you know, big fresh eggs, they sound great, they sound like they're definitely from happy chickens and all that stuff, but actually they are from caged hens. So I just wanted to make sure she knew, and if she knows, that's absolutely fine, it's her choice. But I don't think, you know, I think people should have that choice. They should know what they're buying. But yeah, I was expecting a bit of a, I don't know, confrontational, bitter kind of answer, but I just wanted to know. But she was like, oh my God, you're joking. Thank you so much. And she, like, put them down, picked up some, or, like, I showed her what were free range. She picked up the free range. It was just lovely how, like, well she took it. You know, 'cause the automatic thing is to be a bit kind of embarrassed that someone's questioned you. I mean, she might have, when I'd left, she might have just thought, you know, stuff this and put the free range down and picked up the cage again. I don't know. But she seemed nice, and you got to try, haven't you? You got to try. It might have been because I approached her in a present way. I didn't approach her with any judgment. I wasn't judging her. I just wanted her to know. And I think that is a way to have like mindful conversations, and conversations in the present moment. Because often our conversations just end, we come into like judging matches. We want to better each other in a conversation, and in nearly every conversation we has some kind of competition or judgment in it. But if you're in the present moment, you take judgment away and you say things as they are with the truth behind them. I think people latch onto that. People respect that, and they get pulled into the same kind of presence. So I'd love to hear how you get on with some of these exercises, and if there are any exercises that you do that you like to try and be present during, please let me know. And yeah, thanks for coming shopping with me and listening to my story about the caged eggs. What did I get? Oh, I got an avocado. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, give the video a like if you've got anything out of it, and I'll see you super soon. Bye bye.